So guys, today I'm making avocado salad. These are the ingredients I have for now. Yeah, then I'll show you how I'm gonna make it. So guys, here you have mustard and black pepper. Now I will put this is the tomato. I'm putting the tomato, as you can see. So you have the cucumber and the fresh chili. Yeah, so you have the avocado here. Okay, now I'm putting the olive oil. I love olive oil, I love it. So I'm mixing. The jollof is ready. Chicken jollof, very delicious, very delicious. Did you see the chicken?
Wow.
Very delicious.